Okay, I know this is kind of sun, but you can see that glimmer down there. That's my greenhouse. It's a little bit of a hill up here, but then up there, that's my middle field, and it's probably about this much higher, only not as steep, going up to my top field, and then it keeps going up from there until the end of my property, probably another couple hundred yards. So we'll go down here to the other spring. Alrighty then, this is my bigger creek. I got some watercress growing. Yep. Kind of got a peppery taste. Kind of like a radish in a way. But there's that's my biggest spring right here. It don't always pump out, but we've been getting a lot of rain. But it does run year round. I have my ram pump. I'll show you a video of that. But I had it going down there. There's a dang milk jug I had down there. I kept my probably good drinking water in that, but that's where I kept my water to keep it cool. And whenever I built my house, I got the idea of maybe running some spring water down through a radiator and have a little, solar fan on it to blow through to keep the house cool. And also have a drip pan because it'll condition the air too, take the moisture out. And then maybe on out into a swimming pond or a fish pond or something. You don't want to waste water. Alright, I'll take you down and show you Little Beaver Creek. I changed the name of my channel to Little Beaver Creek Homestead because we're on Little Beaver Creek. Forks off of the Big Beaver right up here to, it's kind of the start of the Beaver Creek. Beaver Creek's a good canoe river, kayaking river, but you gotta get on down a ways. And sorry about the shaky camera. This is where my lower spring dumps into Little Beaver. Little rapids. And normally this is a dry creek, but we've been having a lot of rain. I'd like to get it up and kayak it when it gets up, but man, it'd be a while. Look at the drop right there. Can you imagine another 2 feet of water on that coming down through here? Because it drops pretty quick. But man, it would be fun. Here's the spring water coming out, and there's Sadie. Yep, that's my ram pump working. Pumps all the way up the hill. Bring that back. Into this barrel. Yeah, it's pretty high. How far do you think, Jerry? Probably about 40 feet.
50 feet, yeah.
40 or 50 feet. A little flower bed I built for my wife. Kind of surprised her with it. And that's the drive that goes to my son's. He put a 1-inch culvert in there, and we got to build this up because that 1-inch culvert, I told him to get 2, but he got 1. So we're just going to put a concrete top, make it like a low water crossing, so it just dumps over that and doesn't wash out, because it came around and washed all this out. And this was all full of gravel right in here. Now I got holes, stuff I need to get up here with the tractor and put more gravel in there. But I still got a little place to get up right here. And this is our crossing. Gets through. Ooh, it's a little slick. If I bust my butt, you ain't gonna see none of these videos. This is my lower field. Probably a little bit bigger than a football field. Yeah, it's quite a bit bigger than a football field. But it's got all kinds of pecans and walnuts. In fact, they're really too thick. I'll probably end up taking some of them out, at least where I can mow through here. Used to be a good hay pasture, they said. And then I own a little bit on top of that hill over there. But the road's right up there by that shed. It goes right through. But we'll probably sign out here, so don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. But I gotta show you my waterfall before we go. Isn't that beautiful?